Good morning, student. I am Devin Chaturvedi from Colonel's Brideline Public School, Maths teacher. Today, I am going to teach you Class 6th Maths Lesson number 1, Number System. The topic is Roman numbers. The Roman number system originated in ancient Rome. Roman numbers are written using one of the following 7 letters from the Latin alphabet. These are I is stand for number 1, V is stand for number 5, X is stand for number 10, L is stand for number 50, C is stand for number 100, D is stand for 500 and M is stand for 1000. Now some common rules for writing Roman numbers. Rule number 1. A symbol can be repeated a maximum of 3 times. Means any of the above symbol can be noted down 3 times. If a symbol is repeated in succession, the value of each symbol is added. The symbol I, X, C and M can be repeated, but the symbol V, L and D cannot be repeated. For example, I means 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. Similarly, XX, that is 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. Further example, CC is equal to 100 plus 100 becomes 200. I is not allowed because here I is written 4 times. DD is not allowed because D cannot be repeated. Rule number 2. If a smaller numeral is written to the right of a larger numerals, its value is added. For example, VII is equal to V is stand for 5 and I is stand for 1 is equal to 5 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 7. Another example is XV is equal to 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. But if a smaller numerals is written to the left of a larger numeral, its value is subtracted. For example, XC. X is stand for 10 and C is stand for 100. But X is to the left from C. So 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. Another example, CD. C is stand for 100 and D is stand for 500. So 500 minus 100 is equal to 400. Rule number 3. If the symbol V, L and D cannot be written to the left of a symbol of greater value, so their value cannot be subtracted. Also, these 3 symbols V, L and D cannot be repeated. For example, for number 10, we cannot note down VV. Rule number 4. I can be subtracted from V and X only. Means I is subtracted from V, that is 4. IV, and 9 IX. Similarly, rule number 5, X can be subtracted from L, M and C only, not I. So students, these are the rules of Roman number. Thank you for watching.